Hi there. Sepsis can be one of the most dangerous situations in labor and delivery. And even more precarious and more dangerous is when you have a child that's born prematurely. So let's talk a little bit about what sepsis and periventricular leukomalacia are. Sepsis is essentially a whole body infection. It can start from somewhere small, such as the gallbladder, or maybe an intestinal leak, and it spreads throughout the whole body. Periventricular leukomalacia is a brain damage that occurs to the white matter of a baby's brain. Typically, what ends up happening is PVL is caused during premature deliveries, babies whose brain hasn't been fully developed. Now, how does sepsis and PVL work together? One essentially causes the other. Sepsis is an infection. Infections cause an inflammatory response in the body. When that occurs, the inflammation releases a lot of chemicals, and those chemicals can then get into the baby's brain. When the chemical reactions begin to occur in baby's brain, unfortunately, brain tissue begins to die off. Brain tissue necrosis is what we call that, and that is brain damage. In a child in which white matter areas are actually affected and dying off, that is what we call periventricular leukomalacia, or PVL. PVL can cause a host of injuries. Typically, it deals with movement disorders. Movement disorders such as spastic cerebral palsy, but it can also lead to neurologic disorders such as epilepsy. It is an awful condition and medical diagnosis. If you believe that you suffered from sepsis while you were in labor and delivery, and sepsis could have been caused by a number of different factors, you need to speak to a birth injury lawyer if your child developed PVL. My name is Adam Funk, and I am a birth injury lawyer, and I would love to speak to you.